Hi students, now that you're in your externship class, it's a great time to start planning and preparing for your RMA exam. We do have some resources available for you. In the Blackboard login page, underneath the courses section, you can find an organizations module. Out here, you should have an organization called the MA Urgent Care Center. The term will change based on the current term with the university. Within this organization, you can click on the Medical Assisting tab in the course menu, and there is some information pertaining to your clinicals, which you no longer really need. But at the bottom, you'll see information pertaining to the RMA exam, the process for applying. You'll also have a study guide that you can utilize to prepare for the exam. Additionally, we have practice exams available for you. There is an RMA exam with 25 questions, and this is just a short preview to acclimate you to the format of the exam. Then we have the second RMA practice exam, which has 200 questions and is more representative of the actual RMA exam that you will take through the AMT. We definitely encourage you to take these practice exams to help prepare and identify any gaps in your knowledge that you might want to work on before you sit for that exam. If you have any questions, you can definitely reach out to your course instructor or call into the MA department. Thank you so much, and good luck to you all.